This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. Showed up. Day one before the glow up. Don't need ask for them to show love. Don't need ask for them to show love. Show love. Izquierda pa' derecha, dale bien pa' acá. Yo quiero que tú bailes, dale sin parar. Todo mundo, hey, quiero vacilar. Shake it, take it, and I'll throw it right back. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to.
To Sault Saint Marie. Kaget.
Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one. Showed up. Day one before the glow up. Don't need ask for them to show love. Don't need ask for them to show love. Show love. Ooh, take it back to when nobody used to know me. Let's tell them I was just chilling with my homies. Now that we're popping, everybody is talking. This is for my day ones. Don't forget the ones that made ya. Deep side sweating out flavor. This is for my day ones. Day one.
We're going down. She's having a good time. She's having a good time. The boat is going down to
This was built in 1943. In 14 months under blackout conditions during World War II.
She's holding the rope there. They might have one less crew.
No, I saw a guy there.
Yeah, but they had 3 people, the famous 3 or 4 actually. They had 4 because they had a junior captain that was learning, I think. But let's see, maybe they had 3. But the one that did the whole speech, she also did double duty on the ropes, and then they had the other guy that did the ropes. I think he might have been the junior
Yes,
captain.
she's doing the
And then they had the
history.
older captain that was there for 40 years. Been doing this for 40 years.
The tour guide, she's doing the tour guide. It's really high water there.
Yeah.
Look at that water. It's going to open that gate soon. That gate there.
They're pretty far down now.
Yeah.
I don't think that's leak over there. I think it's intentional. Maybe it's supposed to keep the water flowing.
So that it's not like the raging, so that it's not hard.
Well, maybe so there's still a current because they're opening it down there. So that's still letting some more water in.
The gate is opening. That's quick. Would be bad if I drop my cell phone.
Yeah, don't do that.
All those water. This is the low area and the high water there.
So they back up the boat so that it slacks the rope so that you can get it off the thing.
Ayan. Oops. Bye bye.
they're going to basically rip those out and put in another big one. Not this size, but the next size up.
There are more people that ride. Our batch was like just few the other day. Blue water? Blue water!
Because it's got blue tile.
I thought the water is color blue. Reflection. We are here in the park. Sault Saint Marie. Such really nice blue tiles. I wonder if there are lights here at night. Maybe there are lights. There's the Soo Locks up there. We walk from there. Who's that guy in blue? Very nice park. We've been here 9 years ago. Still beautiful. Still plenty of birds. Look at that. Yeah, this summer, they bloom all summer until frost. I remember the yellow. Still blooming in fall. That's nice color. My color in your color. This color, remember the mystery spot? It's the same color.
I think she's probably retired or semi-retired. Because she talked to the other lady, she said that she only works the summer. So she looks forward to working. That makes sense when you're running a souvenir store.
Come aboard! There's ship store also there. Gift shop.
Some flying.
What if it didn't hurt? What if I was made of steel? What if I could line my heart with the pain I couldn't feel? What if I could play with fire but never let it burn my skin? Could you still ignite my heart and everything within? If I could be superhuman, I could just break right through these walls. Wouldn't be afraid to shut my eyes and fall. If you were just superhuman, you could just see right through my faults. We could take a chance, we could risk it all. We could be invincible. We could be invincible. We could be invincible. What if I learned to love like nothing left to lose? Nothing left to slow me down if I jump without a parachute. What if I let you in and peel the armor from my chest? It's impossible to steal the heart through a bulletproof vest. If I could be superhuman, I could just break right through these walls. Wouldn't be afraid invincible. We could be invincible. We could be invincible. We could be invincible. We could be invincible. In the quiet of the chaos, I found you. Though 1,000 rounds rip through me, I will not move. Just take my shaking hand and don't let go. And in the end, we will be invincible. We could be invincible. We could be invincible. What if I learned to love? We could be invincible. What if I let you in, not afraid? 'Cause we could be invincible.
Sometimes winning's losing fast and moving past who is right and who is wrong. And sometimes leaving's all I've got, even when I know it's not. 'Cause our love is too strong for that kind of talk to be more than a thought.